YouTube? Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Bobby Land and this is Witness Riders. Guys, if you don't mind, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. Speaking of subscribing, guys, we're only 5 away from 100 and then I'm going to be giving away the watch. You can go check out my previous video where I was going to do a 100 sub giveaway on the watch. I'm still going to do it. As soon as we hit 100, one of you guys are going to get that watch. But in order to get it on that 100th video or on the 100th subscriber, I'm going to need people to comment so that I can use the random generator to pick your comments and know who wins, because some of you have your accounts hidden from me. So I'm only showing like 60, but I got like 95 subscribers. Anyway, guys, I'm doing something special today over for the Matt Hornbuckle and his crew over at his shop. They let me come into their space all the time and video these cars that you see on my videos, and I kind of want to do a little something special for them. It's a little bit after Christmas, right here before the new year. So I've smoked a bologna chub, and let me show you. So here's what smoked bologna chub looks like, and you can kind of tell. I mean, these things are huge. There's about 3 inches in diameter there. I got some biscuits being cooked in the oven. I got about 6 minutes, 40 seconds on those. Then I'm gonna take these over there to the guys. But guys, until we get there, see you in the rest of this video.
All right, Harley chick, I see you just parked it outside for me to look at. All right, we're going to do a review on you later, buddy. A review on you later.
All right, guys, I just got finished giving Matt and his crew those smoked bologna biscuits that I was making earlier. And I'm gonna come over here and I see we got a Porsche sitting here. We got Matt's right-hand drive Skyline. And then we got this amazing Z06 right here. Oh my goodness, this car is beautiful. I love it, I love it. I love that color blue. Sorry about the kid crying in the background. Apparently she's having a little bad day. But we got Matt's dripping wet Skyline right-hand drive, and a little Carrera 4S right here. I mean, not bad. I mean, you know, still a Porsche. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Guys, we're almost to 100. Let's give away that watch. See you in the next video. Dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum.